haven't followed me on Instagram, go ahead and do that right now. I'm also running a $100 special for my entire trading academy. Right now, the original price is $500, but for the holidays, you get to enroll for $100. If you guys want to enroll and trade with me and have me be your mentor, go do that. So let's go ahead and dive into US30. So with US30, what's been interesting is this entire year, we made money back in November. We bought here, we sold here. And we've basically been trading US30 Dow Jones up and down. Now, when we had a pullback in February, the market pulled back about like 700, 800 points. We bought here, and then we took price up to here. Then, Matt Dog Mattis, the Fed raising interest rates. I told all my students this. If the Fed raises rates, the market will continue to lower. If we have a government shutdown, the market will continue to lower. If the government doesn't decide to raise rates, we might have a little bit of a market rally. But they decided to raise rates, and now we're sitting here. So, ever since all the way up here at this level, we've been taking sells. My new students who got in, my students who have been with me for a while, they've all gotten in over here. Now we're waiting for prices to come down to the 26-day here. What's going to happen here? Now, if we go ahead and sell off until the end of the year, it's totally going to disrespect this, and it could go down and break down to the cloud. If that happens and it decides to break past the 26-day, it's going to be deadly, and we are going to definitely be going into a market sell-off. I mean, we're selling off right now, but I think this is just a correction because we've been in a bull market the last 8, 9, 10 years. So this is a correction that's definitely needed. I'm not worried about it because I know how to make money when the market's going up and when the market's going down. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to watch US30, broke that, we had a correction, broke that, now we're sitting here. Keep an eye here because if we can go ahead and have a reversal, you're going to want to go ahead and look in the daily chart. If we go ahead and have a reversal, also have your stop loss really tight. If we have a reversal on the daily chart, so we keep on dropping, and then we see like a bullish hammer form right here. If you see a bullish hammer, I'll go ahead and enter with a very, very tight stop loss. Also, I made about $25,000 shorting the Dow Jones. So the DIA ETF, Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF. It's pretty much the same thing as US30, so we're going to trade this the same way. So keep an eye for the rest of this month right here. If we reverse, look for buys back up to the 269 level, or for US30, up to about the 26,900 level.